Welcome to How to Fix South Africa YouTube channel. Subscribe and share. The channel who speaks about solutions for our beloved country. In this 19th video we will focus on how to control illegal immigration in South Africa. 1. Strengthen border security. Improving border security is one of the most effective ways to control illegal immigration. The government could increase funding for border security, improve training for border officials, and enhance the use of technology, such as biometric scanners and drones, to monitor and secure the borders. 2. Increase law enforcement. Law enforcement agencies should be provided with the necessary resources to detect and apprehend individuals who enter the country illegally. This could involve increasing the number of immigration officials, strengthening the capacity of law enforcement agencies, and improving intelligence gathering and sharing. 3. Address the root causes. Addressing the root causes of illegal immigration, such as poverty, conflict, and persecution, is critical in controlling the problem. The government could work with other countries and international organizations to promote economic development, conflict resolution, and human rights protection. 4. Improve legal channels. Providing more legal channels for migration can help to reduce the number of people who enter the country illegally. This could include streamlining the visa application process, expanding refugee resettlement programs, and providing more opportunities for family reunification. 5. Address corruption. Corruption is a major problem in South Africa and can contribute to illegal immigration. The government could take steps to address corruption by improving transparency, accountability, and oversight, and implementing strict penalties for corrupt behavior. By taking these steps, South Africa could improve its ability to control illegal immigration while promoting economic development and protecting the rights of all individuals within its borders. Make sure you leave your like for us to get to more people. We count on you to make the change and be an active citizen in the South African society. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.